Oh, so along the line, this is my brother today. So your chorella. So mas no. Natural Mary Ndi Igbo because moment video because every them name major. Every them is super anyway. Because I don't know because what's over the major bar and because what's over them major, what's over them because I'm Harun Harrier because Daddy Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Daddy Biko, Attire my homes. Daddy, please, I want to see because me Bonyana no Makaka, Daddy Biko, Attire my homes. Because came Mama, Echipimania Muya, Biko. Daddy popped up on them the first opportunity when Marco was Mammy and Brammy, Daddy Biko. Daddy Ebuka Obi, Biko, Attire my homes. Came Mama. Okay, in this my word, I hope in this word I watch your meals because me when you're in Makaka, that TV catcher of meals, I can remember Mama. It was their mom, watch a moji, your mom, what's a woman, their mom. Damna over me who are just him and qualified son that he be so blanch nature, and I tell me also because. And I want to see whom you will become no matter. I don't know that. Go at me almost.
Through you people can go to Moptaha from village and this platform, rent around here, but somebody from Dubai paid this place 3 years. 3 years for them. A funny share, even my boss, Seaman Global, so a lot of people that I cannot mention. You may when the opportunity instead of to go straight to the point. Now she have realized her mistake because she's pleading that she wants to see. Share this video to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I believe in him. From the testimonies I see people in, I believe that God is working. I believe God is using him to work and to deliver some family. Because share it on this video. Share it on this video, Koruti and as in, let him not forget her. I'm not making a mistake. Above Taragi Jogi, what do you want? A lot of people are angry with you because of that action. But Omenala mistake, no Omenala. Because somebody could go say a minute is danger. Because Ndi Igbo, if you are watching this video, because share it because God bless you all and because forgive her. Even me myself was angry with her before, but I have forgiven her. My anger was it's not easy for anybody may access Evangelist Ebuka, but to go they use other man pop tag. What do you want? But to be clear, that's why we are doing this video. Because so that the Spirit of God will touch him again and watch this girl. God bless you all from wherever you are watching me from. Please share this video for us and please forgive Miracle. Because Baharane. So